Hi. How's your day so far?
Pretty good. Thank you.
What's going on?
I'm playing with my pet.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like rainy.
Do you enjoy spending time outdoors?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like classical music.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I like Italian.
Do you enjoy going to concert?
Yes, I love them.
What's your favorite genre of books?
I like fantasy.
How's your day been?
It's been all right.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
Do you have any plans for the evening?
Yes, I'm meeting friends.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Yes, I'm going out.
Can I join you?
Yes, you can.